Indian English literature refers to the body of work by writers in India who write in the English language and whose native or co-native language could be one of the numerous languages of India. It is also associated with the works of members of the Indian diaspora. It is frequently referred to as Indo-Anglican literature. As a category, this production comes under the broader realm of post-colonial literature, the production from previously colonized countries such as India. The major Indian English writers are R.K. Narayan, Sir Salman Rushdie, Arundhati Roy, Chetan Bhagat, Papani Bhattacharya, Anita Desai, Vikram Seth, Raja Rao, Aravind Adiga, Kiran Desai, etc. Let's look at each of them in detail. R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan, born in 10th of October 1906 and died in 13th May 2001, was an Indian writer, best known for his works set in the fictional South Indian town of Malgudi. He is one of three leading figures of early Indian English literature and is credited with bringing the genre to the rest of the world. His major works include Swami and Friends, The Bachelor of Arts, The English Teacher, A Tiger for Malgudi, Next Sunday, My Days, Gods, Demons and Others, The Ramayana, The Mahabharata, Malgudi Days, An Astrologer's Day and Other Stories, A Horse and Two Gods, etc. Arundhati Roy. Susanna Arundhati Roy, born on 24th November 1959, is an Indian author who is best known for her novel The God of Small Things, written in 1997, which won the Man Booker Prize for Fiction in the year 1997. She is also a political activist involved in human rights and environmental causes. Her major works include The God of Small Things, The End of Imagination, The Cost of Living, The Greater Common Good, Power Politics, War Talk, Capitalism, A Ghost Story, Broken Republic, Walking with the Comrades, etc. Sir Salman Rushdie. Sir Salman Rushdie, born in 19 June 1947, is a British Indian novelist and essayist. His second novel, Midnight's Children, won the Booker Prize in 1981. Much of his fiction is set on the Indian subcontinent. He is said to combine magical realism with historical fiction. His work is concerned with the many connections, disruptions, and migrations between Eastern and Western civilizations. Major works include Grimace, Midnight's Children, Shame, The Satanic Verses, The Moore's Last Sigh, The Ground Beneath Her Feet, Fury, East, West, The Best American Short Stories, Mohandas Gandhi, etc. Chetan Bhagat. Chetan Bhagat, born on 22nd April 1974, is an Indian author, columnist, screenwriter, television personality, and motivational speaker, known for his English language novels about young urban middle class Indians. A noted public intellectual, Bhagat also writes columns about the youth, career development, and current affairs for the Times of India in English and Dainik Bhaskar in Hindi. His major works include 5 Point Someone, One Night at a Call Center, 3 Mistakes of My Life, Two States, Revolution 2020, What Young India Wants, Half Girlfriend, Making India Awesome. Raja Rao. Raja Rao, born on 8 November 1908 and died in 8 July 2006, was an Indian writer of English language novels and short stories whose works are deeply rooted in Hinduism. Rao's first ranging body of work, spanning a number of genres, is seen as a varied and significant contribution to Indian English literature as well as world literature. His works include Kantapura, The Serpent and the Rock, The Cat and Shakespeare, A Tale of India, Comrade Kirillov, The Cow of the Barricades, The Policeman and the Rose, Changing India, an anthology, Tomorrow, The Little Gram Shop, Journey, India, A Fable, etc. Pabani Bhattacharya. Pabani Bhattacharya, born on 10th November 1906 and died in 10th October 1988, was an Indian writer of Bengali origin who wrote social realist fiction. In his mid-30s, Bhattacharya began writing fiction set in historically and socially realistic contexts. He wrote in English, his chosen medium following the advice of two prominent literary figures. His major works include Some Memorable Yesterdays, So Many Hungers, Indian Cavalcade, He Who Rides a Tiger, The Golden Boat, Towards Universal Man, A Goddess Named Gold, etc. Anita Desai. Anita Mazumdar Desai, born on 24th June 1937, is an Indian novelist. Anita Mazumdar, to a German mother, Toni Nim, and a Bengali businessman, D.N. Mazumdar. As a writer, she has been shortlisted for the Booker Prize 3 times. She began to write in English at the age of 7 and published her first story at the age of 9. Her works include The Artist of Disappearance, The Zigzag Way, Diamond Dust and Other Stories, Fasting Feasting, Baumgartner's Bombay, In Custody, The Village by the Sea, Clear Light of Day, Games at Twilight, Fire on the Mountain, The Peacock Garden, Bye Bye Blackbird, Voices in the City, etc. Vikram Seth. Vikram Seth was born on 20 June 1952 to Leila Seth, the first woman judge on the Delhi High Court, and her husband Prem. Internationally recognized as a writer and poet, Vikram Seth has published 6 books of poetry and 3 novels. His works include The Golden Gate, A Suitable Boy, An Equal Music, A Suitable Girl, The Humble Administrator's Garden, All You Who Sleep Tonight, Beastly Tales, 3 Chinese Poets, At Evening, The Frog and the Nightingale, A Doctor's Journal Entry, Summer Requiem, A Book of Poems, The Eagle and the Beetle, etc. Aravind Adiga. Aravind Adiga was born in Chennai on 23rd October 1974 to Dr. K. Madhava Adiga and Usha Adiga. Adiga began his journalistic career as a financial journalist. He was hired by Time where he remained a South Asia correspondent for 3 years before going freelance. During his freelance period, he wrote The White Tiger. He currently lives in Mumbai. Major works include The White Tiger, Between the Assassinations, Last Man in Tower.